In this section, we are going to be installing the necessary plugin required for our website to function effectively. So what are plugins? Plugins are just like apps which we install into our WordPress dashboard to help with some functionality needed. But before that, I'm going to be telling you why WordPress is the best option to go with. It offers almost all features for free. You only pay for domain and hosting. It is versatile and can be used for virtually anything. If you are designing for your real estate business, e-commerce, blogging, landing page for affiliate marketing, or for digital products or services, it is perfect for it. It can just do the work. It can also track all pixel data. Let's say you are running Facebook ads, Google ads, Instagram ads, Snapchat ads, Twitter ads. You can install the tracking codes into your WordPress site and track the data. That's to know your conversions, how many visitors visited your site, and the kind of actions they performed. And you can use those data to retarget them later. That's to follow them with your ads, to follow some specific individuals with your ads so that they can now finally purchase your product or services. It also works best with Google Ads, AdSense, AdMob, etc. So that is what they mostly accept. There is possibility that if you are trying to run Google Ads with other platforms, they will reject your ads. So it's better to work with this. That's for people that are creating e-commerce sites. All these cheap and free web landing page providers like card.co and others, you can't exactly add pages like your privacy policy page, your contact us page, your about us page, your terms and conditions page. And Google requires this if you want to run a business. That's you want to run an e-commerce, that's to sell products especially. So you need all these things and a valid email address and also your contact address and phone number. It also has numerous starter sites. That is, it has a lot of templates for you to choose. So it gives you options to choose from. So it has up to 10, 20, depending on the theme you are using. It has enough starter sites for you to get started with. That is already made sites that you can easily use, import them to your site and tweak one or two places, and you have a beautifully designed website. And it can easily be converted to an app. If you have a WooCommerce site, you can easily convert it to an app. There are paid options, there are free options. You will learn those things in this tutorial. Not this particular tutorial, but before you go through the course, for the end of this course, you must have learnt it. So what are the downsides? The downside includes it requires startup cost. Yes, I've already said that already. So you need a hosting and a domain. There are cheaper options, but the method I taught you should be enough to get you started. And it also requires PC for setup. So for you to tweak your site, you need a PC. I'm sorry, phone can't do this. If you are using a mobile phone, you have to look for a laptop to edit your site, because phone will really get you frustrated. The screen will be too small to handle. Not that it's difficult, not that it's impossible. It's possible. If you use the Beaver Builder plugin, you can edit your site, but it might get messy. You will mess things up a lot and you might get frustrated. So just if you have a good friend that you can easily borrow his or her laptop, then just do that. Or if you can outsource this on Fiverr, it's also good, but I don't recommend outsourcing. Just meet any of your friends, use your that's what this guide is for, so that you can teach you how to do it yourself. So meet a friend of yours and borrow his laptop. Within a day, you should be done setting everything up. So the themes and plugins we'll be installing includes, we are going to be going with Astra theme. There are several things like Ocean WP, Zankra, there is a lot, but we'll be going with Astra. So the plugins we are going to be installing, these are the basic plugins. Simple SSL, which stands for Secure Socket Layer. It is what is going to secure our site and give it that padlock and green check. So we need it to make our site secure. So the simple SSL can give us that secure look for free and make sure that our site is safe. So you need it because it secures your site and make sure that your site doesn't leak data. That is, hackers can't hack your site and can't easily take informations from your users, from your customers, and leak it out. So it's really, really important to encrypt your site. We are also going to be installing Elementor and also Elementor Pro. The Elementor Pro is paid, and the pricing starts from 59 USD per year and ends at 399 USD per year, depending on your choice. But don't worry about that. I'll be giving you my own plugin for free. Yes, my own Pro plugin for free, so you can install it on your site and enjoy the benefits of the Pro version for free. You also need Rank Math SEO. So first of all, what is this Elementor? Elementor is a drag and drop website builder that helps us build our websites. So if you are using your mobile phone, you can't make use of the Elementor. So the Beaver builder we serve, but it's very, very difficult with it. It will really frustrate you. So just use Elementor Pro. Use Elementor to easily edit your site. The Rank Math SEO will help us in ranking. That's to edit our site and optimize it for Google search or all these search platforms, so that our site can appear on the number one spot whenever someone search for our product or services. So that's the Rank Math SEO's work. For the HTEZ GA4, GA4 stands for Google Analytics 4. It helps us to install tracking codes given to us by Google. So you can install it using the plugin. Also, for those people that will be using their site for e-commerce, you'll also be needing WooCommerce and Contact Form Builder. So if you are using your site for landing pages or blog, that's for e-commerce people that are selling stuff like their shoes, handbags, jewelries, you don't need the WooCommerce. So it's for people that are into e-commerce that we need it. So that's all for this. Let's head over and start. Alright, as you can see, my site is in desktop site and I'm using Brave browser for this. Once we start editing our site, I'll use a system to make it easier. So come to themes, come to appearance and click on theme. Then click on add new. Click on the search and search for Astra. This is Astra. Click on it and click install. It's installed. Click on activate to activate it. It has been activated. Let me refresh the site to preview it. This is how our site now looks like. We are yet to start the main edit, so let's go and install the plugins. So first of all, we are going to install the simple SSL. We have only one plugin installed by default when we created our account. So go to add new. If you have any plugin, you can upload it by using this upload plugin. But we are going to add new plugin. So let's search for simple SSL. SSL. So we are going to install this one, this first one, simple SSL by Simple Plugins. So we are installing this. So click on install now. So this is our site without the SSL. As you can see, it's telling us that connection is not secure. You should not enter sensitive information on this site. So we are going to update this so that it will change from this to padlock, which shows that it is safe. So let's activate the SSL. install. As you can see, it's installing it. Click on save and continue. Click on save. Settings saved. So I tried activating the SSL, but it failed. So after I checked, I found out that they updated their terms and conditions, which made it impossible to get the free SSL using this plugin, really simple SSL. So I'm going to show you how to get it using another plugin. So let's head back to the plugin section. So this really simple SSL, we are going to take it down. So hit on the deactivate. It has been deactivated. Now click on delete. Deleted. So we are going to be installing another plugin for this. So click your add new, then search for SSL. So we are ditching this to use this. So we are going to be using this one, WP encryption by WP encryption SSL HTTPS. So click on the install. Then once you have installed it, click on activate now. Then if you activate it, it will now bring you to this screen. It will bring you to this screen. So to get started, input your Gmail address, then check all these boxes. Click on generate SSL. Then the next step. So when you install and activate the plugin, it will bring you to this screen. Skip it. Then we are going to go with the free plan. There are two plans, free and pro. So let's go with the free plan. Select plan. Then choose your email address. Check all these boxes. Generate SSL. So the next screen is to verify our domain. So there are two options: using HTTP challenges and using DNS challenges. So we are going to go with the DNS challenge. So we are going to copy this and paste it on our Namecheap account. So this is how to do it. Go to namecheap.com and sign into your account. They are sending me a code to verify my email. So once you're on your account, click on desktop site. Then come to apps. So once you are here, click on this giant octopus, easy WP. It will quickly take you to your dashboard, to your hosting dashboard. Then it shows that you are on starter plan. Click on these settings. As you can see, this is the overview. your CPU, your storage, your RAM, your website title, the domain name, your SSL certificate, status. Okay, mine is on maintenance for now. So your own should be online because you just created it. I switched mine to maintenance to avoid people visiting the site. So go to manage SSL certificates. So yours should be showing no SSL. So your own should be showing no SSL certificates. So quickly tap on the custom SSL certificate so that you can customize your SSL certificate so that you can choose a custom one. So click on it and you will see these options to input your private key and your SSL certificate. So let's go back. So head back to your Namecheap account and click on dashboard. You should see your domain. As you can see, this is mine. Click on manage. Then tap on this domain, this place. You can see my pointer. Tap on it. Then choose the advanced DNS option. So these are your advanced DNS. So in accordance to the instructions they gave us, we are to create a DNS alias. So to create it, we are going to copy these names here. So the first step is to copy the value. So tap on the value, then copy. Go back, click on this add new record. As you can see, these are the records. So click on the add new record because they need to verify your domain. So click on it and this is it. So we are adding, so what you copied. Okay, first of all, click on this, scroll down and click on the txt record because that's what they say we should create. We should create a txt records. So what you copied is the value, so paste it here. Go back and copy the name. Make sure you copy it correctly to avoid errors. Copy it. Go back. That is your host. Yes, that is your host. Then this automatic changes to 1 minute and hit the save button. Then click on add new record once more because there are 2 records. TXT record. Let's go back. The second one, copy the name. Paste it as the host. Copy the value. Input it here. Change this to a minute. Hit the save changes. Then you have successfully added the records. Now click on verify DNS. So if you did it wrongly, it will not work. So make sure you follow what I said exactly to achieve the best results. So you have to wait for up to a minute to 10 minutes in order to click the verify DNS again because you need to properly authenticate it. So if you click on it, once it's successful, it will show you this screen. it will bring you to this screen, domain verification, which shows that it is now successful, to tell you congrats. So the next step, it will bring you to this screen. So the next step is to copy these stuffs and paste it to your account. That's your hosting account. So this is how to easily copy it. For the certificate, tap here, as you can see. If you tap on it, it will copy it. It says copied successfully. So quickly go to your hosting plan, and this is where you paste it in the custom SSL certificate. So the certificate should be pasted here. You paste it, then go back and copy the private.pem. Copy it and paste it here. The CA bundle is optional, but if you want, you can also copy the CA bundle here and also paste it. Either way, it will still work. Then hit the change button. Then it has been activated. Then you can easily toggle this button to make your site to be protected by SSL certificate. So after that, come back here and click on enable HTTPS now. Voila, it has been activated and enabled. So with this you have successfully installed your free SSL certificate, and your site is now properly secured and encrypted. As you can see, it's now enabled. If you click on it, it will tell you that connection is secure. So with this, your customers and your visitors' data are secured and protected. So let's continue installing our plugins. Add new. Next on our list is Elementor. So this is Elementor. Click on install. Once installed, search for the next one, which is Rank Math. Rank Math. This is it. Install it. Next is HT Easy GA4. This is it, one and only. Install. Then next is WooCommerce. This is it. Install. Then head back to the installed plugins. Now let's add the Elementor Pro. Click on upload plugin. If you go to the file section of this course, I added the Elementor Pro plugin there, so you can easily access it there, download it to your device, then upload it from there. Go to files, search for Elementor Pro. So this is it, the zip file. It is in form of a zip file. So click. As you can see, it has been selected, Elementor Pro. So install now. As you can see, unpacking the package, installing plugin installed successfully. So let's head back to our installed plugins and activate all of them. We don't need this, so you can delete. So select all, bulk actions, activate, apply. So after that, the WooCommerce will prompt you to set it up. So you can click on this skip setup store details, or you can set it up. So just click on the skip setup. No thanks. So if you are into e-commerce, I will do a separate video teaching you how to set it up. So let's continue to our plugins. As you can see, everything is now active and ready for use. So with this, we have come to the end of this video. Peace out.